Like how you put it earlier in the show, trouble in the tropics. I mean, seems like we're going to kind of see something from this.
Yeah, so hurricane season doesn't officially end until the end of November, so it's not out of the ordinary, but we are going to have to contend with this storm, I think, as we get towards Wednesday and then into Thursday.
Okay, well, tell us all about it.
Yeah, so I'll take you through that in the full forecast. First off, starting out this morning, here's our Alpha Insurance Skycam overlooking the Georgia National Fairgrounds. Will be an active scene later today. So if you are heading out there, though, the weather today going to cooperate. It's a nice morning out there. Temperatures in the mid-60s, finally feeling like fall a little bit outside. We're at 64 in Macon, but the humidity up there at 100%. Radar this morning is dry, not expecting to see any showers this morning. And here's what's in control of our weather. Big area of high pressure has kept us dry over the last couple of days, and it's starting to slide off to the east. That's going to open the door for moisture to come back out of the south. So as we get into Monday and Tuesday, we'll see isolated showers return back into our forecast. Let me take you through the future view forecast for today. Starting out partly cloudy across central Georgia with those temperatures in the 60s. We'll begin to warm up a little bit by around 8 in the morning. And as we get into the afternoon hours today, just a slight chance for a shower. In fact, nothing even showing up on this latest run of the models as a refreshed on me there. We'll put the rain chance at around 10% today. As we go into the evening hours, temperatures cooling back down through the 80s. So any outdoor plans you have for the day today look to be in fantastic shape. Temperatures today, though, they are going to be warm outside, headed to 90 degrees in Macon and Warner Robins, 91 in Milledgeville, 92 in Monticello. You get the picture. Going to be warm area-wide. Stay hydrated if you have those outdoor plans. And then tonight, temperatures cooling back down to the 60s, but a little bit warmer tonight than we saw this morning. 69 degrees will be our overnight low temperature here in Macon, 70 in Milledgeville, 69 in Dublin. Now, our forecast over the next couple days going to be highly dependent on what's going on in the tropics. Let me take you down there right now. You're looking at brand new Tropical Depression 14 developed just this morning off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. And all of that deep red that you see on the map there is those strong thunderstorms in association with this tropical depression. Over the next couple of days, it will be gaining strength as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico. Once it becomes a tropical storm, it will be named Tropical Storm Michael. So Tuesday morning here, a 65-mile-per-hour tropical storm. And as it moves over those warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico, this storm will gain strength. So by Wednesday, looking at a Category 1 hurricane now in the northern part of the Gulf of Mexico, and that will be making landfall somewhere here in the panhandle of Florida. Then after that, we get in on the action. So the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center has Michael moving over Macon and central Georgia as a tropical storm on Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Anytime you have a landfalling tropical cyclone, you have the potential for heavy rainfall. We could be looking at rain on the order of 2 to 5 inches. We could see some gusty winds. The official forecast has a sustained 50 with higher gusts Wednesday night into Thursday morning. And then if we end up on the eastern side of the track, we could introduce the threat for a few isolated tornadoes. So that's all in play, going to depend on exactly where the storm tracks within this cone of uncertainty, and that'll become more clear as we go throughout the next couple of days. I do want to show you the wind forecast. This is the GFS model. I'll take you through the Euro model later on in the program. So let's start the clock here at 10 in the morning. The hurricane at this point starting to make landfall in the panhandle as a Category 1 storm. As it continues off to the northeast here, we start to get in on the tropical storm force gust as we get into the later hours of Wednesday night into Thursday morning. These winds will be strong enough to down some trees if this forecast were to verify. The European model shows a similar solution just a little further off to the east. I'll take you through that later on in the program. So here's your 7-day forecast. You can see those changes coming our way. Dry today, high of 90. Then rain chances going up Wednesday and Thursday. 70% chance of rain on Wednesday will be our best chance. Sports is next.
Good morning, everybody. UGA was taking on Vanderbilt at Sanford Stadium. Not a ton of problems for the Dogs. Stop me if you heard that one before.